it. We're going to do the right one does the extension and the left one does the anti-spin. So we'll do a bunch of those. 5, 6, 7, right back, left front. 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 When we're doing the cap, we come down here. Now we reverse direction of the arm, but not the poi. So we were doing in-spin coming down, but now we do anti-spin going up. Now we reverse the direction of the arm again into in-spin, reverse the direction of the arm into anti-spin, reverse, 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 reverse. And that's all you're doing is reverse, 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 reverse. Now we're teaching you a new way to play with where you reverse, because if you can go in and out of them like this, you can do one and then the other. And what you've started to do now is exercise your reversal muscles.